Hi, my name is Kit Welchlin. Today's video is on business etiquette, appropriate versus inappropriate behavior. You know, Kit, I try to be on my best behavior at work. I remember, though, when I was in manufacturing, employees would pick up their game and be better with their etiquette practices and act more professional when a bigwig was going to be stopping by or someone's spouse was going to be stopping by. I guess we can turn it up when we need to. I think we strive to be polite, courteous, and respectful and avoid being rude, impolite, and inappropriate. Here are some no-nos. Coming to work under the influence of drugs or alcohol is a bad start. Misusing organizations' funds is a real bad idea. Engaging in sexual harassment is a surefire way to lose your job and tarnish your reputation. Showing a lack of respect to superiors, peers, and subordinates by using foul language, telling raunchy jokes, engaging in gossip, complaining publicly about your organization or leadership, violating your organization's rules on confidentiality. There are also some smaller, still irritating behaviors that won't enhance your professional brand, such as listening to your voicemail on speakerphone, yelling at the computer, playing music too loud, popping your head over the walls of the cubicles, swooping into a work area or office area, interrupting a coworker with gestures and undecipherable sign language when they're on the phone, lurking just outside the cubicle or office of another, jumping into conversations you overhear, having loud discussions or telling stories in the hallways. According to the Ladders.com survey of 2,500 U.S. employees, the most offensive thing an office worker can do is steal a colleague's food from the office fridge. A full 98% agreed that fridge raiding was unacceptable workplace etiquette. So let's examine some polite, courteous, and respectful behaviors that will be appreciated by your colleagues, coworkers, and clients and customers. I think saying please and thank you is always appropriate. Start a new relationship in a little bit more formal fashion by addressing others as Mr., Mrs., Ms., or Miss until otherwise requested. Warm up the pipes, warm up your voice before making or taking phone calls or attending morning meetings so you can speak clearly and distinctively with a confident, pleasant tone. Smile and offer a firm handshake when meeting someone new or a very important client or customer. Maintain eye contact when in person or in virtual meetings, along with attentive facial expressions. Write thank you notes and letters of appreciation, congratulation, and condolence as appropriate. These seem like simple little things to do, and you're right, but not doing them can cause damage to you and your organization's image. Inappropriate behaviors and unprofessional conduct can hamper your career and result in losing a promotion or even your job. These are super suggestions. They're simple, sensational strategies for appropriate behaviors at work. Business etiquette practices seem like common sense. Unfortunately, they're not common practice. Thank you for watching this video on business etiquette, appropriate versus inappropriate behavior. If your organization is struggling with business etiquette, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I'll provide a session that will improve your business etiquette.